Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is of mathematics and we are gonna solve quadratic expressions. So before starting the video, I want to differentiate between linear and quadratic expressions. So linear equations, linear expressions or equations are actually linear expressions are which have the power of 1. If we write it like this, it has the power of 1. X is written as x because it has the power of 1. So even if we don't write 1 with it, it is understood that we have got x with a power 1, x raised to power 1. So same goes with 1, 2, 3, a, b, c, and so on. So quadratic expressions are actually quadratic expressions are the equations which have the power of a value bigger than 1. Like they would have the power of x squared y squared and so on. So let's start let's start solving our question. So the question is 4a into 2a plus 3b plus 5 into a plus 2b. So the first step is to multiply these. So we'll take a big square bracket and put 4a is a 4 multiply like the powers will like the whole numbers would be multiplied with whole numbers and the variables would be multiplied with variables. So when variables are multiplied with each other, their powers add. So first let's multiply the whole numbers, which is 8. Then if we multiply a into a, it is a, and the powers add. So here is a 1, we can have an imaginary 1 and a 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So we'll put a square. So now plus 4 into 3 is 12. So a into b is ab. And 1 plus, it also has a 1, which means power raised to power 1. So AB is equal to power 2. So we close the square bracket plus 5a, because there is no a, so no powers would be added, plus 2 10b. So here we have got the answer of this expression. So let's take another example. So let me show you another example, which can be 3b into, okay, let's take another example, which is 3b plus 2a. Okay, it is 3a plus 2a, 3a plus 2, and then we have here a plus 5. So this expression can be solved by this. So this is another concept that I'm going to give you. So it will be, so here we have the square bracket. Here we have two terms that are multiplying with each other. So what we'll do, we'll take this term and multiply it with this whole term. Same goes with this term, we'll take this term and multiply it with this whole term. So let's do it. 3a into a plus 5 square bracket close plus 2 plus 2 into a plus 5 square bracket close. Now we multiply these terms. So the answer is 3a square I'm writing the square just okay. So we here have 3a square plus 5 into 3 is 15a. Then we have plus 2a plus 10. So now we have to put the light terms together and the unlight terms, like we have to put all the light terms together. So we can see that already we have all the light terms together. They are, so this is alone 3a square because we don't have any a square term. These both are light terms, so we have already the question already put them together. If not, we have to put them together. Then we have 10, which is also unlight with the all, so it's also alone. So let's do. 3a square would remain as it is. Plus 15 plus 2 is plus 17a. Remember, when the expressions are adding or subtracting, their powers of the variables would remain the same, they would not add. So here we have the answer of this question, which is 3a plus 17a plus 10. So here we have solved two quadratic expressions with two different kind of quadratic expressions. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And this was all about today's video. I'll be back with another video next week. Thank you and God bless you all.